There are multiple different ways to log scores to workouts in the btwb app. Today we're going to go over logging scores to workouts that already exist in the btwb app. In other words, you just need to find them. And for that you have two options really. One, you can search our workout lists, and there you'll find popular CrossFit Girl, Benchmark, Hero, Lifts, interval workouts. For those, it's simply a matter of finding them and then going through the logging process, and we'll cover that. The other one is if you belong to a gym that programs workouts for you, or you are subscribed to one of our coaching programs that provides programming for you, you can find those workouts directly on your calendar from the home screen. So let's do that first. We're starting off in the home screen. Remember, there's two tabs on the home screen here, the fitness tab and the body composition tab. Inside of the fitness tab, you've got your calendar, and you've got all the workouts that have been programmed to each of the tracks you follow. Now, this might be one of our free public tracks. It might be a gym track. It might be a coaching program subscription track. All right, and you can actually collapse these tracks down to see the different ones that you do follow. And don't forget that you can click into different days on the actual calendar here to go backwards in time to revisit old workouts that have been programmed for you, or even into the future to see what's in store for you in the future if those have been programmed. So let's go ahead and log a score for today's workout. So I'm going to click back on the 20th here, and we've got our track options below. Let's go ahead and log a workout to this performance WODs track item, this performance WODs workout here. All right, in the actual planned or programmed item here, you're going to notice a few things. The way that you're going to log a score for this workout is via the plus button here. That's going to open up a bunch of different options for you. The one that you're looking for is log. So let's go ahead and click onto that. And now we're just going to follow the steps to logging a score for this workout. All right, so the first thing that we're going to ask you is, how did you perform the above workout? The above workout will always be listed up there for reference. And you've got two options. You did it exactly as written, or you had to change some weights, movements, etc. Something about the workout you had to modify. All right, let's go ahead and go changed. And then from here, it's simply a matter of entering in your score. Okay, so this one happened to be a weightlifting session here with a descending rep scheme for power cleans. So it's asking me for my load options. So we'll go ahead and just enter some loading options here. We could even change these up as, oops, not 295, let's go 195. Maybe we go 205, and then maybe we go like a 210, a 215, 215, 215. We'll end on that, okay? So each of these screens, it doesn't matter which workout it is, could be a 4-time workout, could be an AMRAP workout. It's going to ask you to enter your score for that workout, all right? So there'll be some input boxes there for you. Now, one thing that you can do is you can also customize this workout a little bit. So in the beginning, if you remember, I said that I had to modify something about this workout. For example, if I click on the little pencil icon next to each of these movements, it'll pop up that movement, and I can do a couple of things. I can actually change the reps. So let's say I didn't do a set of 3 on that one. I did a set of 2 instead. So we can update that. Or even on the very first one, let's click into the pencil icon on the first one. I can even swap out a movement by clicking on the movement itself and searching for a new one. Hang power clean. 3 reps. If the movement that you're adding, was a run or a row or something like that, or a box jump, you can easily toggle on these other options here to add those characteristics to that new movement that you're adding. We're going to leave those blank for now. We're going to update. So I just updated or modified this workout to 3 hang power cleans for that first set, and then I switched up that second set to 2 hang power cleans, and just so that we can keep things similar here, I'll update that third set to also 2 power cleans. Update. All right. You can easily copy movements with the little copy icon located next to the pencil icon, or you can delete the movement entirely via the trash can icon. Okay, at that point, you're going to scroll on down. It's going to give you some options here. We'll ask you if you had a weight vest. You can add that option. There's always going to be a notes option. So let's write felt heavy today. Sorry. Felt heavy today. We'll go next step. And then we got the final steps to logging the score here. The date I've already set or from the calendar, but you can change it there if you need to. We can attach a location or you can attach a photo. So pick one there. Okay. And then if you have a video link, you can also attach one of those. And then finally, the privacy here gives you 4 different options. So everyone means anybody on btwb will be able to see it. Community plus followers is going to be your followers list, or rather people who are following you. And then your community is either your gym or your coaching program if you belong to one. And then you've got just your followers. And then you've got only me. So that'll just show it to you. And then we'll go ahead and save that workout. And that is us logging to a workout from the calendar. Now there is one other option. So let's go back to the home screen here. We'll do a little refresh. Now remember, this is for logging workouts that are already on btwb. You don't have to make them or do anything like that. These are workouts that already exist, that have been added at some point or another. For that, so maybe it's not something that's been programmed to your calendar. Maybe you did something on your own. You want to find it. You can use the plus icon in the bottom, the footer menu there. And you can use these, not the new button, that'll be a brand new workout, but each of these other ones, popular, featured, favorites, tracks, previous, will take you to a workout list. And so if I click into popular, this will take me to our popular workouts. It's going to be sorted by total posts on btwb, so you can see a couple of 1-rep maxes at the top of the list plus Fran. If you find what you're looking for here, again, it's simply a matter of going through the process of clicking on that plus icon and then again into the log button. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's log a Fran really quickly. We went over using the modified, the changed weights, movements, etc. option. Let's go exactly as written this time. And so for here, since it's exactly as written, I didn't need to change anything. We're going to leave that whole top portion untouched. Instead, we're going to come down here, and let's do 530. And then we're going to add a bunch of, or just sort of update each of these items along the way. A location, did this again at my gym. Choose a photo. We're going to attach this photo this time. All right, awesome. No video link, but if you needed to, you could copy and paste the YouTube link there. And then again, some privacy settings. We'll change this to only me this time, and we'll save it. And this will save it to your calendar. So we've just logged 2 different workouts there, one that's been programmed for you, one that you found on your own via the plus icon in the footer menu. All right. You can also use the search icon in the top right corner of the home screen to search workouts to get you to a very similar list there that we were just on, that popular list, right? This workout list is filtered by total or sorted by total world posts as well. One thing I didn't show you was you can always use the search bar up here to dive a little deeper. So if you're searching for something specific, filthy, right up at the top there, filthy 50 is an option. You can click on the plus icon and then again on the log icon to go through that process to log a new score for a filthy 50.